Hello guys, welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. And today guys, we're gonna be making samosa. Yesterday I made samosa pockets, you can see them, and today we're gonna be making samosa. And we have our filling, which it is beef. We have a half kg of beef minced. We have our onions here, and we have these 3 pieces of leeks. So we're gonna be using the leeks and the onion also. And I have this all-purpose flour, and I have some water. And the reason why we have all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons, and some water, it's because I want to make the paste which I will glue the samosa with. So guys, stay tuned so that you get to see the step by step of how you're going to make your samosa. So first thing first, we are going to cook our minced meat. I'm going to add my onion, then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, I'll saute my onion, and once done, I'm gonna go in with my minced meat. Then I'm going to slice my leeks into the smallest size possible. Once we are done guys, we go in with our leeks. We mix everything together. And now you can add the spices of your choice. I'll just use a half tablespoon of salt and a half tablespoon of paprika. You can add the spices of your choice guys. Our minced meat is ready guys. We waited to cool as we glue our samosa. So we're going to add some water. into our all-purpose flour to form a paste. And you can see our paste is ready, guys. I'm going to show you how to fold your pastry. You're going to place it the side that was on the pan, like that, and then you're going to fold enough. You fold enough like that. You form a triangle here, and then you're going to form another triangle here, and you make sure it's aligning, like this line aligns well, and then we're going to glue here. You see, this is where we're going to glue. We're going to glue here, yeah, and then you don't need a lot of glue, like that, a lot of glue like that, and then you're going to seal. And after sealing, guys, this is how your pastry should be, like that, and then you leave it to dry. I'm going to show you with another one. You'll make sure you fold it the side that was in the pan. You make sure you fold, you see, like that, and the other side like that, you see, and then you're going to glue here with a little bit of your butter, like that. And this is how it should be. And then you leave it to dry up. We do again, like, and then you make sure you glue again, like that, guys. So let me do the rest and I will be back. And guys, finally it has taken almost 30 minutes. This is what we are working with. The next step, we are going to fill these pockets here. Now our beef is ready, guys. And our beef is ready, guys. And so, guys, this is what you're going to do. Is enough so that we can be able to close here, like this, and then you seal like this. And so you're going to apply the glue. And after applying, you set here. It is this simple. You can see another one. And after that, guys, that's when you do this. You see, you're supposed to do this, and you apply a little bit of glue here, then we seal the glue like that, you see. Yeah, that's simple. And guys, this is my samosa, you can see here. So guys, we're going to add cooking oil into our pan, and this is how we know whether our cooking oil is hot. Yeah, right now we can deep fry our samosa. And so these are our samosa, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Yep, guys, finally this is our samosa, you can see. Go try the recipe and let me know in the comment section what you think, and kindly subscribe, watch and share my videos, and we see you in the next one. I love you so much.